This is the setup for the experiment. So we have here the eye model, and it includes usually the retina screen, the aperture, and different lenses. Some of them are concave and convex. It depends on if it's a positive focal length or a negative. You can see this one, it's positive 307 millimeter, and some of them are negative. This is a negative 1000. Negative 1000 millimeter. And some of them are cylindrical, and the cylindrical ones are the ones that has these two edges. This one basically has these two slots. It means it's a cylindrical lens. And we have adjustable focal length lens. Okay, this one. Eye model stand, ruler, protractor, and a light source with an object, a bucket filled with water. I would say between 1 to 2 liters of water, clean water. Then we have the optics pinch. So this experiment is going to demonstrate how a diverging lens corrects nearsightedness, which is basically called myopia, by shifting the focus of distant objects from in front of the retina to directly on the retina itself. So first, we need to put the lens of 62 millimeter inside the eye model, put the retina in the normal position, and make the distance around 35 so that we have a clear image on the retina itself, as we can see here. So you have a good image. Now we need to simulate the myopia by moving the retina screen to the near slot backwards. So it is that the image becomes blurred here. So let's see what would happen if we put a pupil and the slot A in front of the lens, the 62 millimeter lens. So we see that we see a better version of the image. It's more focused, as we can see here. So that means if you have a nearsightedness and you see only the near objects, if you close your pupil, you focus more, you can focus the signal or the image on the retina and you can see it better. So now we are going to correct the myopia by using diverging lens, basically placing an eyeglasses with a diverging lens, okay, at slot 1. So let's try the negative values. So this is negative 1000. So this is a negative 1000. So let's try this one. What happens if we place it here? Yeah, you see the image? It's a blurred image, but if we put this one minus 1000 millimeter, we can see a focused image. You see, it's a more focused image. And let's see something interesting here. That do you see any difference if we rotate this lens in front of it, the glasses? We don't see any difference. So let's try the other diverging lens, which is the minus 128. We don't see a good image. Let's rotate, see what happens. Actually, when we rotate it, the image is rotating. Okay, this is very interesting phenomena. Why? We will know this in our next video. So now let's move this object and see when this image is going to be in focus. Okay, while removing the sunglasses, the eyeglasses. So if you went far, it is more blurred. Not sure whether you see, sorry. So if we moved far, it is more blurred. Let's go near to see. So basically when we are near, it is more focused image, and this actually it is near by approximately 5 centimeters, so we are around 30 centimeters away from normal vision. If we went more near, we can see up to, here it seems to be up to around 60, which is the difference is around 25 or less centimeters. So let's go and see some distant object, which basically is going to be our window, our usual window. I'll turn off the light. Let's see the image. So the image is not in focus. So let's see what happened if we put the lens that we have used basically in one of our previous videos for the far vision lens itself. I think it was 128. So we still don't see anything. It's not clear. It seems to be clearer, but it's not clear. So let's try. Sorry, this is not 120. This is what? This is minus. I'm sorry. I need to try the 120. It is very blurred compared to this way. Let's get the one that we got right now, which is the minus 1000. This one. So it is more clear. So despite putting different lenses, we still don't see good or perfectly using the different lenses. So this would be the experiment. I hope you have found this lab beneficial for you. So if you like it, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. And wait for me for my next video. Thank you.
Image forms before it should. A diverging lens makes it all look